Well, it's building wall time here on the job site. We've got our first wall up. The reason why we're going ahead and building these walls and putting this one also down the middle is so that we can build our rafters that's going to come right into our bench that we've already set.
Work continues on the lodge here at Duckett Station. We've got the walls up on the private side of this lodge. The reason that we're focusing our attention upon this particular side of the lodge is we still got to get a roof on it. Putting the ridge beam in, you see it up over my head, it will go and tie into the roof on the post and beam side of this lodge. We still got a ways to go, but we're making great progress. We've come a long way over the past few days. We have finally got the entire roof on this structure. The L-shaped roof, we've got a great valley in. The roof is 100% complete over the post and beam section of our lodge. Our walls are coming up fine. We still got a lot of bracing to go, but come on, take a look inside. We still got a little framing to do on our walls, but what we were trying to achieve right off the bat was to get as much of this structure up as we could so that we could get our roof tied into the other, basically to protect our ceiling and our roof decking boards on the other part over here. We've had a tremendous rain season and we're still fighting that, but that's all right. We're making it happen the old South way. But take a look in here. We've got our rafters up, we've got our lath up, we've got a great metal roof installed and trimmed out. You know, roof systems like this will last a lifetime and beyond, and is money well spent in the long run. We've still got to put some headers over our doors. We've got another window to frame up. We've got some closets to go in on this side. And then we will focus our attention upon the walls that go in between our post and beam vents. So stay tuned as we continue to work the Old South way.